Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, skilla.
Yes, me there again, my people. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. I hope that everyone alright. Alright, my people, so I have a video that I'm going to present to you, and this video had been recorded in Jamaica. Now, the video that I'm about to present to you is going to show some things that happened when police or law enforcers from within the country of Jamaica confiscated or take goods that was at a certain location within the country of Jamaica. Allegedly, it is said that goods that had been taken by law enforcers or police belongs to at least one person who is said to be a vendor. Now, the reason why I said those words in a certain way is because I don't have certain confirmed information about the situation. I don't have certain confirmed information to determine how many persons might have been affected by the situation during subscribers. So may I say, now based on some words that a certain amount of persons said in the video, I got the understanding that there was some persons who was upset about certain things that happened on that day. That's what I'm saying to your subscribers. So I'm going to present this video to you so that you can look and listen to the video. You can also tell me what you think about the situation that you're about to see and hear in this video. And please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Good picture, yeah. Good. That means when you're ready to talk to my lawyer, talk to him good enough. That may I tell you.
No problem.
I tell you that.
And then put things in the people heart. And then put evil. Then put evil in the people heart. Because they don't tell you no love you got things. No fun or criminal. It was here. So when they couldn't want some people and they're French. And these are people living and these people live after. And these people send themselves.
Sometimes you have to left all the back with your money and make them gone with the virgin. I want to you. Now when they go down with it, they can't tell me how much money they have. I want to you. After you not check nothing, you not check nothing, you not take nothing, you not make no list or nothing. You just take up and show in. Like a criminal working come for do. Oh, yourself, man. Very soon you are going to left the police force. Remember that. Remember that. They not take no note or nothing, then just take up people things very soon. That. Enough like you can do it and then gone. So you not going to be the first and the last. You not stay long in this. Remember we tell you that.
No problem. Why you don't know what you're saying, sir? You don't know what people are saying to the school of life or not to
No for them, no, I'm not pregnant. I'm not for them parents hustling in the street to send them up from doing it right now. What they don't make me you don't have to take it every day. That may I tell you. Every day you don't have to take this because we not left it down. If we left it down, we not left it. We not left it down and fill it down. Fill with this. Them say they get order from parish council and then them come here without parish council. Eh?
What parish council say?
Parish council work this, so them a do. Parish council work this. We not run in and think parish council can't do nothing about that. This amount of money and you make sure you go pay back every red cent when you get film pay, watch. Every red cent and more too. And then come on and run people out of Falmouth. No fun no come from Falmouth and come and then walk on and run people out and then go.
We red sent you and make sure you pay back out of your pay. Remember me tell you that. Just wait till when my lawyer get this.
I want the rest me coming and fall, but the rest me. Him not do nothing for him town and him a come go and like. Show me some one put up in that town. Look how when they say they put up you can do stuff when they say how much billion and them come back put around them. You know say I be a criminal and thief tonight. Them a people hard you straight good man. No matter what them do to people, them straight good man. So they can sleep and not remember nobody.
It's better than him come here and do it and gone.
What you mean?
So I don't know who is you.
Them come here and feel so they don't get certain strike, they never see it.
Make sure you pay back every red cent in us. Remember we tell you that. I mean. So Dennis are the one who responds for this. Right.
Rob them while we rob and kill people, man. And I don't think what we can't do, you know that. I don't see what we can't do. We're not supposed to do it. That's why we're for the honest work. And I choose, we're not supposed to do it. We know it, but we're not supposed to do it. We're supposed to hustle. We're going to come because style from poor people and and judgment don't take on up. Make me hear about you before the day done. Now worry yourself.
I make certain action take against this. Remember me tell her that. If my lawyer can't deal with this, somebody have to deal with this. Remember me tell you. My lawyer can't deal with this, the Obeah man have to deal with it.
There's a man running and
remember that.
Work with parish council. And him now work with parish council about the law. What kind of law? This is not law. You don't know nothing about law?
Yes, man. We're glad we have representative there too. Remember that. I sounded the poor people all the while. All the while. Police are going to parish council work. Which part in the world you hear that? Which part in the world you hear that? Eh? This man saying name, Mr. Dennis. You go have to talk to a lawyer.
We don't see no miss up on
we don't see nothing. Right.
We don't see no miss up on
we want justice for this. We want justice for this before the year done. We need justice. We need justice for this. We need justice. Because all the while then come and then do this. And China man have a problem with them peers. But them have problem. So we need justice for this.
I just take implant to take set one paper, man. Just enjoy yourself, Dennis. Enjoy yourself.
They always say first laugh and a laugh, you know.
Moment.
First laugh and a laugh.
Enjoy your moment, Dan. Enjoy your moment. I hope you have a great time.
Yes, man.
Never happen to you. Because if you say, who look at you, judgment.
No,
judgment.
Me have bigger than them in a force. And they tell me, say, this so them are do illegal. Oh, so I want justice for this. And we not stop till we get justice. Remember that. We not stop till we get justice, because this not right. This not right, none at all. This illegal we don't do. Marlene, I become Mr. Marlene. No, you have to get justice for it, man. I know all who fi call. Right. When time I done, me I call all who me I call, you know, because we have to get justice for this.
You get permission, written paper, written stamp by the China.
So then it's to sit on his share when I see nothing else. Him saying come here already. Me never come here come see him. I first must see him.
That was station in there. But you know, I find out, you know, say a Chilani division. You know, say a Chilani division.
So I have a license plate number them, you know. So I have big on them in the force. And them tell me everything what to do. Oh. One thing they can go on me. They know a law. Oh. They know a law. Everyone I want to have to feel this. Everyone I want to have to feel poor people cry. Remember I tell you that. Everyone I want to.
Poor people, what to do? Look for right,
everyone I want to feel this. We need justice.
No, tell me no. Look for this.
We don't have a proper market. We don't have a set up now here. For poor people can sell and nothing.
My people, I want to choose my words them carefully when I talk about a situation like this, because there's so many things I think about when I see a situation like that. See? First of all, I know for a fact that there are a lot of people who just try to survive. I know that for a fact that there are a lot of people who just try to survive. And I respect anybody who do honest ways of making a living. Only persons who do honest ways of making a living I respect. Honest. You see me? Good ways. At the same time, I know that you have some police officers who are worked by others. Notice me say some. See? So big up to all of the peace officers them, are good police officers them. Notice me say some are worked by others. Are others where them get. Some of the times, a vendor with them on the roadside I sell, and you may never know where the order come from. For law enforcers, for confiscate vendors' goods or take away vendors' goods. Oh, and I got the understanding that more than one persons had been affected on that day by what police officers had done at that day. I wish that there's a way that situations like this won't have happened. See me I say, because me I tell you, me I look on this and me I say, look on the amount of things that they saw. Me I say, what gonna happen to all of them things that we see in the police service motor vehicle? You know what I mean? Me wonder what gonna happen to all of them things there, you know? Because we live in a world right now, you know. In my point of view, me don't know about nobody else. Me no like say food waste. So me I hope and me I wonder where all of them things are gonna go. See me? So all different type of things me I think my people. See me, and you have a thing what they call name good suffer for the bad too, you know. That's another thing to get. Well, me I don't know. Me I tell you. Me I wonder when this world is going to be at peace. You know? My people. Yes, so me I left it, you know. Big up and respect to each and every one. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla 10.